Hello student, our today's topic is payment terms. What is the business scenario for payment terms? The accounting manager wants to set up the terms of a payment between customers and vendors. He wants that all the payments from the customers should be received within 30 days. For example, if any payment is made by a customer within 14 days, then the customer will get 5% cash discount, and within 21 days the cash discount will be 3%, and within 30 days the full payment should be made without any cash discount offer. Similarly, the vendors also give 30 days to the company to pay their invoices. If they receive the payment within 14 days, then there will be 3% cash discount to the company, and if the company code is made within 20 days, then there will be 1% cash discount, and within 30 days the full payment is required. What do you mean by the payment term? The terms of a payment are conditions agreed between business partners for the payment of invoices. The conditions define the due date and the cash discount offered for payment of the invoice within a certain period. Some terms of payment are predefined in the system. You can add any ones if necessary. Terms of payment enable the system to calculate a cash discount and invoice due date. Payment terms controls determination of the baseline date, allow account type, default payment method. For maintaining terms of payment, we can go by transaction code OBB8 or by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Accounts Payable, Business Transactions, Incoming Invoices, Credit Memos and maintain terms of payment. साथ में देखते हैं SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable, Business Transaction, Incoming Invoices, Credit Memos, maintain terms of payment. Then click on new entries and enter our payment term. First we will enter TRE1 for 14 days, 5%, 21 days, 3%, and 30 net. We will use default baseline for posting date, means by posting date our due date will be cash, and this is for only custom. Percentage 5 and 3 and number of days 14 and 21 and by 30 days. Then click on save button. Click on create request and enter our description. Customer terms of payment. Then click on continue button. Now we will copy it and create another one. Come back. Click on copy. Select entry and click on copy. Enter TRE2. And this is for supplier. Posting date and percentage will be 3 and 1. Press enter. Then click on save button.